Hello everyone and welcome to this Fireflies AI review. Is this the best AI meeting tool? If you're a professional, student, or team member looking for an efficient way to automate your workflow, then Fireflies AI is definitely something you should consider. So in this review, we'll be talking about the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end you have solid reasons to decide. We have the link to Fireflies in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Fireflies is an AI-powered assistant designed to transcribe, summarize, and analyze your meetings. It seamlessly integrates with all major video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The key features that make this tool stand out are its accurate transcription with speaker identification, the ability to generate a searchable knowledge base of all your conversations, and you have Ask Fred, an AI assistant that can answer questions about your meetings or generate content like follow-up emails. And now to the pricing. Firefly AI offers a tiered pricing structure with a plan for every need. You have the free plan, and this plan is available for free forever. It's a great starting point, allowing you to get a feel for the service with 800 minutes of meeting storage and limited transcription. The Pro plan is at $18 per month, and this is ideal for individuals and small teams. It includes unlimited transcription, 8,000 minutes of meeting storage, and AI summaries. It is a fantastic value for those with frequent meetings. Then you have the Business Plan, priced at $29 per month. This plan is popular with fast-growing teams. It includes everything in the Pro plan, plus unlimited storage and conversation intelligence features that provide deep insights into your meetings. Then you have the Enterprise Plan. This is for large organizations that require custom solutions and enterprise-grade security. As you can see, it's at $39 per month, and it comes with all the Business Plan features, plus advanced security features and private storage. This plan is great for individuals and small teams who want to get the most value for their money. And now to the pros and cons for Fireflies. On the bright side, it has a highly accurate transcription, often exceeding 90%. It has seamless integrations with major apps and CRMs. The AI-powered search makes it easy to find specific moments from past meetings. It also has advanced conversation intelligence and analytics. The Ask Fred AI assistant does save time by generating content and answering questions about your calls. On the downside, the speaker labeling can be inaccurate at times, especially in fast-paced meetings. Some users may find the user interface to have a steep learning curve, and the default setting to automatically join and share meeting notes can be seen as intrusive, but this can be changed. In conclusion, Fireflies AI is a powerful tool that transforms the way you handle meetings. By automating transcription, summarization, and follow-up tasks, it frees you up to focus on the conversation itself. It's a game changer for anyone looking to save time and get more out of their voice conversations. So don't forget to check out the link to Fireflies in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.